Hello YouTube, this is Dr. from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from AC Moore's. Just a little small haul. And this is not crafty, but they had some little boot cuffs, 3 for $10. So just got some of those. And then everything I got, I had at least a 20% off coupon, and then they always had the 55% or 60%. I had no, I have a 60% on this one. Yeah, I had 160%, and then I think 255%. because I went to a couple. And this one, these are just some stencils. They're regular price of $2.99, but they were at least 20% off. This is "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think." I thought that would be great for art journal. And then this one says, "Every good and perfect gift is from above." It's a little baby feet. "Let your faith be bigger than your fear." You know, fear stands for false evidence appearing real. That's what fear is. Torment. I got this one. This is a Love Nicole brand from AC Moore's, and this is called Time Machine 6x6 pad, and it has 48 sheets in it. Nice thick pad. I thought this was great because it's very, very masculine. Look at those sheets. Quick. Look at that. Like, I mean, this would be nice. You want to send somebody, you know, you're trying to find a card to somebody you're in love with, but they ain't always papers that, you know, that are not so girly. So these have masculine prints, and then there's several. Each one is like 3 or 4, I think, of each one. 3. See, I like those patterns. That, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a nautical map. Yeah, I mean gears. It's a nautical map. I'm sorry, gears. Lord, that's a honeycomb print. I like abstract, and I like just geometric patterns. I'm more into that myself than I am florals, although I do like them. But I had to learn how to like the floral prints. I've always liked more masculine. I guess because I did drafting and stuff. I used to want to be an architect, so I kind of like looking at stuff like that. Did pick up a couple. One in Boston Photo. This one says, "Give thanks and celebrate your blessings." It was $4, and I got a half price, $2. I just liked it because I hadn't seen that in, you know, in any of my AC Moore's before, even though it's not a new Boston Photo. So got it the same price, so I got it for Tuesday morning. And then I got oops, that's wrong haul. I go to Hobby Lobby. Then I got this one. I thought was super stinking cute, and this one was $9.99, and I got it for 55% off. Look at the llamas. I don't know what's under that bottom one. Let me see what it says. It says, "I love you lots, sending a llama love your way." So it is a 2, 4, 5-piece die set and 10-piece stamp set. And that is Hampton Arts. Got some more Love Nicole dies. And again, this one was 60% off of $15, and it comes with the magnetic strip already. So you already got that set. Doesn't have a name. They don't name anything. Yep, no names on them. But anyway, you can see what those elements are. A carousel, Ferris wheel, and a ticket. And this one says, "You're invited." I don't think I have this one. If I do, it's going back. And I don't think I have Believe, but if I do, it's going back. I don't think I have that one, but this one might be gifted. And then they had all of their washi tubes, $5. And it was, I posted them on Instagram, DaretoBeCreative one. I specifically got ones that I know I had a project already going on, but there was a lot of the cute ones, and so I left them alone. Washi is this love-hate thing. I don't hate it. It's just that I don't use it enough. It's just gorgeous, and it just tempts me. But this one is a travel theme. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows of $5. Focus. All right, machine, come on. I don't know why it's taking so long to focus. You can't see all the stuff on it, but suitcases, airplanes, the words, tickets and stuff up here, license plates, cameras, red glitter, gold glitter. This one, I got this one. This is the superhero one, obviously for my grandson. I have a paper pad that goes along with this with the Batman and all of them on it. And it says, you know, kapow, bang. It's got the mask, it's got the city skyline, and the paper pad has the same city skyline that you really can't see too well, but, and then the red is like the lightning bolts, and these are the words, these are the stars like Captain America or whatever. You know, he knows all them people. I get them mixed up. But that would go with that mini album. I mean, excuse me, scrapbook album. And this one is sports. Go with the sports album, because they all played sports. And then the last one, this going in my robot album that I made last year, but I can add some of these on some of the pages if that focuses. There we go. So these have like blast, soar high, it's got rockets, got robots, it's got the solar system, it's got stars, and it's got gears. Very masculine boy stuff. So that is what I got from AC Moore. So thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I dare you to be creative. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.